Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing my first purchase from DeMellier, so I hope I pronounced that right. I'm very excited to unbox this and share this with you guys. If you saw my most recent updated wishlist video, I did share that I purchased a bag from here, and very excited to start my DeMellier collection. So let's go ahead and open her up. Alright, so I took the bag out of the box and saw this card, and the first thing that you see when you open the box, which I did not know about this company. So it says, for every item you purchased, we fund a set of life-saving vaccines and treatments aimed to save the life of a child in need. I did not know that. I have, of course, seen DeMellier like all over Instagram and TikTok, which is what made me want to start like collecting, but I am absolutely in love with this. So on the card it says, giving back is the core of DeMellier's DNA. For every piece you purchase, we fund life-saving vaccines and medical treatments for children in need through our permanent charity initiative, A Bag of Life, in collaboration with SOS Children's Villages and local vaccine providers. So far, we have funded over 350,000 vaccines and medical treatments. That's absolutely incredible, and I don't know why I've just now learned about this with the brand. I think that's like amazing, and I'm definitely going to continue to support this brand because I love that. I love that that's part of their mission, and I like knew that they were ethically and sustainably made, but I did not know that about them. So that makes me love the brand already, and I haven't even unboxed it. So yeah, a little bit about the company. Also, this is a as I mentioned, their factories are in Spain and in London, their factories are in Spain and in Italy, but the brand is actually from London. So that's how you say DeMellier London. The bag is absolutely adorable. I think this is just such great quality too in a bag. Let me see if I can get the shot. Like, you have the bow, which I love, and then like these really thick straps. Oh, I don't want to untie the bow to unwrap it though. I really like the bow. Wonder if I can like sneak it out of the side, because I really want to keep the bow. Oh, I can. There we go. So I got to keep the bow and I snuck it out of the side. I just love this bag. So here is the dust bag that this comes with, and you have that same like ribbon on here. And yeah, I'm just like kind of still taken aback by the mission of the company, because I did not know that, and it just makes me really even more excited for this. So yeah, let's unbox her. So I purchased the Vancouver bag from DeMellier. So I, similar to Strathberry, have just had my eye on this, and I just haven't seen it in person, and I really love this. So once I got my first Strathberry and I loved it, I realized like I need to start just trying these brands, ordering them, and because if anything I can just return them. But you guys, this is absolutely beautiful. Let me open this one up. Okay, so for this bag you have the signature bars, DeMellier London, very small. Here, to open it up, you have this little clasp that you just push up and it will release, and then you can lock it. It is a smooth leather. I do think they have a grain leather, but I just thought this one was like very pretty. As for dimensions, what I like on their website is that it shares a size and device compatibility. So the width of the bag is 9 inches, as well as the base. The height of the bag, it is 7 inches, and then it is 3 inches in depth, which I don't see, but that's what the website says. And then for straps, so you can convert this bag. As you know, I love convertible bags. So just as is, you have a crossbody option. You also have these pieces here so that you can adjust it if you need to make it longer or shorter. the max strap length is 45 inches, and then the minimum strap length is 42 with, I'm going to assume, is with these adjustments, but you can also turn it into a crossbody as I mentioned. So you just pull the leather through these squares, and then you have your little crossbody, or not crossbody, I'm sorry, your over the shoulder bag. I don't know why I cannot talk today. So you can adjust it too so that it's a little bit smoother. But I really love this functionality, and that you can easily convert it from a crossbody to a over the shoulder based on what you're doing. I feel like there's a lot of times I start out with like a crossbody and I'll need to turn it into a shoulder bag, or vice versa based on what I'm doing. So I love the functionality, and I love just the gold hardware in general. On the interior, you have a front pocket here. According to the website, you can fit up to a 14-inch Pro Max or similar. So you have a very small pocket, and then you have a larger pocket with a zip that is a full zip across pretty much the entire bag, and it feels like it goes down most of the way through, but then it's just an open bag for you to store things. So to give y'all an example and move into what fits, I have my 14 Pro, not the Max, and so it fits upright. I have my Chanel glasses holder, and it looks like it'll fit upright as well. And then I have had people ask about a book, so I'm gonna grab my Dior notebook and give you all an idea of how that fits, or if it fits. So it looks like it will fit my Dior notebook in here. And then let me grab my iPad mini and let's see if that fits in here. All right, so let's take these two out. iPad mini, and this is typically a deal breaker for me, but oh, it fits. So actually, let's see if it fits in this pocket. If I didn't have this bulky case, I feel like it would fit in this pocket. Let me take it out of the case. And like if you had a thinner, yeah, if you had like a thinner case, it would fit in this pocket, which is actually pretty nice. So you can keep it away from all of your stuff. And that's probably how I'll use this, is a iPad holder. Let's say you want to bring a long wallet with you. I have my Louis Vuitton Brazza wallet. So this is the size of a full-length wallet, and that will fit in as well. It will take up a good amount of room. So really great. Again, I want this as an everyday bag. So I'm going to transition everything from my Monster BB into here to show y'all what fits, and let's see if all my everyday essentials fit in here. Just went to FedEx. Let me take that receipt out. I have my Chanel small pouch. This takes up a good amount of room, but it does look like it'll fit in here, but it'll take up like a good section. That's not like a must-have, but it looks like, I feel like it'll fit with all this. I have my Louis Vuitton Charms key pouch, which is my newest SLG, and I'm absolutely in love with it. I think it's so cute, and love that it, like, you know, looks really good with all of my black bags, which is the main reason why I wanted this color. Maybe I'll put this like up front. And then I have my key pouch. I attached my key here, so when I go to the gym, I can take my AirPods and my key, because I just like taking this with on the go. But I attach these two together. So let's put that in. And then I just have my 6-ring key holder. Typically it has my car key, but now it's just here to hold additional, really just my mail key at this moment, and then my lock for my Louis Vuitton lock. So that's everything that I carry in my Monster ABB, and they all fit in here. So now I think it's let's see how if it fits with an iPad mini and if it'll close. Well, let me show y'all that this will close. I don't think, because this is pretty bulky with like my hand sanitizer, it'll close, but let's see if I like take it out, because I like overstuffed this. Let's put this back in and see if it'll fit with that. Pretty tight. Okay, so it will fit. I wouldn't do it though, because it's a pretty like tight fit and I don't like stressing things out, but it would technically fit with that pouch. If I would just use, if I don't like stuff the pouch, that's when I would actually use it. Just like this, I wouldn't put all that in there. So with the iPad, I should say. So we have all of this, and then that is everything that fits. Overall, first impressions, I really love this. I think this is very cute. I will say I don't know how I feel about storage capacity, just because it kind of makes me nervous that I can't carry, like the pouch isn't completely full. So I will see about that, but I do love it and think it's very cute. Love the adjustable straps. I do wish they were a little bit straighter though. To be completely honest, like here's how they look when it's like this, but I mean it does make sense, especially with the type of leather. I'm just calling out like some cons. So overall, I do love this bag and really happy to add it to my collection and for it to be the first of many DeMellier bags. Other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.